Hello kids, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathercat. I'm Garima Singh, your English facilitator to make your learning easy and fun. So let's begin. Hope you all are ready with your book Fly High Class 2. Now today we'll be reading chapter 2 that says Emily makes friends. So I hope you all love making friends, right? And friends, you know, they make your life beautiful and we have fun with our friends. So this is a story about a little elephant, Emily, who has no friends. Let's read the story to know how she makes many friends. So we are going to read a story about an elephant whose name is Emily, and we will read how the elephant makes friends. A small activity has been given. Here are some questions. Choose your favorite option. Your favorite color is, mine is yellow. So you need to select your option, right? Next, your favorite season. I love winters. Your favorite activity, singing, painting, reading or playing. Unfortunately, none of the ones given here, right? So you look for your own. Now let's start reading the story. Emily is a little elephant who lives in a jungle. We all know that elephants, they are wild animals and they live in a jungle. She has no friends. One fine morning, Emily goes out to find a friend. Now this baby elephant has no friends, and one fine morning, Emily goes out to look for friends. Who is Emily? Emily is a little elephant. Why does Emily go out one fine morning? Emily goes out one fine morning to look for friends because he had no friends. She had no friends. She reaches a beautiful garden and sees a bird. The bird is singing a sweet song. Now, what happens when she goes out in search of friends? She sees a bird and she finds that the bird was singing a song. Hello, bird, you sing so beautifully. My name is Emily. Will you be my friend? Hi, my name is Binny. I love to play in the blue sky. I can fly, but you cannot. How can we be friends? Now, when the elephant says that, Binny, can we be friends? The bird says that, how can we be friends? I can fly in the sky and you cannot, right? Who is Binny? Binny is a bird. Binny flies away. Emily feels sad. Now, Emily was sad because, you know, Binny says that we cannot be friends. She sits all alone beside a pond. Soon, Emily sees a fish swimming in a pond. She calls out to the fish, Hi, I am Emily. What is your name? Will you be my friend? Now, the next was fish, to whom she offered to be friends. Hi, I'm Finny. I live and I play in water. If you know how to swim, then just dive in. Now the fish says that my name is Finny, and if you know how to swim, you can dive in water so that we can swim and have a wonderful time. Emily does not know how to swim. Now again, poor Emily, earlier the bird said that because you cannot fly, so we cannot be friends. Now when the fish offered her to jump in the pond and swim, so the Emily again was upset because Emily did not know how to swim. So once again Emily is sad and alone. Okay, who is Finny? Finny is a fish. Just then near the pond she bumps into a brown stone. So what happens near the pond? The elephant, it got hit with a brown stone. Miss, please be careful. You are stepping on my shell. Now, the moment it stepped on a stone, which the elephant was assuming, Emily was assuming is a stone, there was a sound coming and was saying that, please miss, you be careful because you are stepping on my shell. So, which is the animal that has a shell? It can be a turtle, it can be a tortoise, it can be a snail. So, let's find out. Oops, I'm sorry. I thought you were a stone. So Emily said that I'm so sorry. I didn't realize that it's a, it's a tortoise. I thought it's a stone. I'm a tortoise. My name is Totty. And this is my hard brown shell. Now, the tortoise said that I'm not a stone, I'm a tortoise, and it's my hard stone shell, and my name is Totty. When I sleep or play hide and seek, I hide under it. Then I look like a stone. So Totty says that when I'm playing hide and seek, what I do is I hide myself in the shell, and then I look like a stone. When does a tortoise look like a stone? Yes, when the tortoise, gets inside the shell. Good. Next, you are so lucky you have a shell. Nothing is special about me. Now, Emily said that you are so lucky, so fortunate that you have some special feature. I cannot fly. I do not know how to swim. I will never find a friend. Now, Emily was really upset. She says that I neither can fly nor can swim. How will I be able to make friends? Why do you think you are not special? Totty says, why do you think that you are not special? You are special too. All of us have a small nose, but you have a beautiful long trunk. Now, Totty was so sweet. Totty says that you too are special because God has gifted you with a beautiful long trunk, and see, we have a small little nose. So that is special about you. Oh, yes, I have a trunk. It is long and strong. It is my nose. I also use it to hold things, be it big or small. Now, Emily was really happy, and Emily, praised its trunk by saying that, yes, I have a trunk that is really strong and I can hold things with the help of my trunk, whether it is big or small. I can fill my trunk with water and spray it on you. I am special too. So Emily says that, I can hold water in my trunk and then I can spray it on you. And being very happy, Emily says that I am special too. Emily takes some water in her trunk and sprays it on the tortoise. Totty is Emily's new friend. On seeing them having so much fun, the others also join their game. Emily has many friends now. So finally, when both of them, Emily and Totty, were having fun, other animals were watching them and they too joined them, and soon Emily had many friends. Okay? Who is Emily's new friend? Emily's new friend is Totty the tortoise. So that was all about the story. So let's come to the question answers. Which part of the given sentence has an error? If the sentence is free from error, mark no error. So now they've given us a sentence and we need to find out the error. In case there is no error, we need to say that no error, right? The sentence is absolutely correct. The first option is Emily sees a fish swimming at the pond. The first option is Emily sees, there is no error. Excuse me, a fish swimming at the pond. So there is no error in the given sentence. Which of the following is the opposite of enemy? So what is the opposite of enemy? Friend. Very good. Coming to the next, we have an extract. Hello bird, you sing so beautifully. My name is Emily. Will you be my friend? Hi, my name is Binny. I love to play in the blue sky. I can fly, but you cannot. How can we be friends? Now we need to answer the questions. Who said you sing so beautifully? Emily said it to the bird. Who is Binny? Binny is a bird. Absolutely correct. Binny loves to play in the blue sky. Binny cannot fly. Is it a correct statement? False. Binny can fly in the sky. Next, the fill in the blanks. One fine morning, Emily goes out to find a friend. Correct. Next, Emily sees a dash swimming in a pond. So, Emily sees a fish swimming in a pond. And what was the name of the fish? Finny. Very correct. Next, Emily bumps into a dash stone near a pond. Emily bumps into a, let's check the correct answer. Okay. Into a brown stone. Next, Little Emily takes some dash in her trunk and sprays it onto the tortoise. So take some water in the trunk. Next, true or false? Emily lives in a farmhouse. Emily lives in a farmhouse. Do you agree? No, Emily lives in a jungle. So false. Next, Toti is Emily's new friend. Yes, true. Emily knows how to swim. False. Finny is a fish. Yes, Finny is a fish. True. Now the question answers, where does Emily live? Where does Emily live? Emily lives in a jungle. Correct. I love to play in the blue sky. Who said to whom? So these were the dialogues of the bird, very good bird, Binny, and the bird said these words to Emily, the little elephant. Why does Binny think that she and Emily cannot be friends? So why do you think Binny said that we cannot be friends? Binny said that Emily and Binny cannot be friends because Emily did not know how to fly. Next, what does Finny ask Emily to do to be her friend? Now, Finny said, if you can swim, if you want to be my friends, you can just dive in the pond and then we can enjoy swimming. So that was all about the story. I hope you liked the story. Read the story once again, go through the exercise. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Happy learning.